Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we start the most important and interesting topic, the work in PowerPoint. So for this, open PowerPoint. You can see here different themes are appear. Here blank presentation, and these are different themes. You can select any theme or select blank presentation. Here you can see file, then home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review and view. And inside these are different groups, same as we work in Word and Excel. Okay, this is our first slide. This is empty this time. If you want to select any color or any theme, you again select on design tab. Here you can see different designs. For example, if you select this one, okay, and here some like full screen, like black color or any other colors. Okay, for example, I select this one, so blank, this blue slide will be appear. Now make any title, like we work in PowerPoint, so write point. Select this, bold. You can increase the size and change the color. For example, because this is blue, so select like dark blue. And here you can enter any subtitle. Again select this, bold, increase the size, okay, and change the color. For example, like this one. Okay, here you can attach any shape also. Now if you want to insert another slide, there are different methods. First method is click here. This is slide right side panel. When you right click, there this appear new slide. Select this. Another method of inserting, go on insert tab. Here you can see in home tab, you can see new slide. If we click on this, there are different styles that appear, like slides or title and contents, section, header, to contents, comparison. There are different things. For example, if I click on to contents, then you can see two blocks are appear here. You can write here and here both side. For example, here you can see small icons here, like text, tables, charts, smart art graphics, pictures, online pictures, and insert video. For example, I select chart, then there are different patterns. You can select line chart, pie chart, any chart. Suppose I select this one, chart, okay, and select this. This will take a little time. And here you can change data of categories and series from this. Here close this, so chart will be appear here. This side you can insert any picture or like any other thing, smart art graphics, any other things. Suppose I click on pictures. Okay, now we have some pictures here. Suppose I select the picture of flowers, so insert this. This will be appear. You can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Here you can insert any title. Like about charts, and increase the size, bold it. Size is enough. Color, you can change the color. Okay, again you can see in new slides, click here, Here another method of inserting slide is duplicate selected slide. For example, this slide is selected. If I click on duplicate, you can see this slide is appear, same slide appear here. I can change this slide. Or another method is to select reuse slides. What is the meaning of reuse? It means there are some slides already in your computer. You select these slides. So you can see, you click on browse. Here I already select class 4 chapter 1. This is I already make. So I click here. These slides are appear. Select any slide which you want. For example, I select this one. So you can see this slide is appear here. This is about animations and pictures and special effects. So in this way you can add slides by clicking right click, or from home tab you select any slide from here, or duplicate slide, or reuse slides. Okay, now another method is I select this one again. Okay, if you want to delete this, see this, right click and delete it. Okay, so I delete all items from here. Now again, suppose I insert some smart art graphics. Click here. You can see different styles. Select any slide which you want. This is according to your program. For example, I select this one. Okay, it's appear here. You can change the color from here, like, okay. You can add text here. So I write something here. Here you can insert different shapes. You can see here different shapes. For example, I select this one and draw here. Okay, change the color. Here you can see shape effects when I click on this. Before this, I want to insert some pictures here. So go on insert tab and click on pictures. Again select any picture. Suppose I select this one, insert. Okay, now this will be here. Drag this. Okay, now if here you can see two options, bring to front and send to back. I click on bring to front, so I place it here. Okay, now if I click here, suppose I want to change the color here again, like black color, black border, or this one. Okay, you can increase the size also, increase the size of the picture little bit. Okay, this is according to your choice. Okay, here I select some smart art graphics. When I click here, you can see two additional tabs are appear, design and format. When I click on design tab, you can see different shapes. Okay, design, suppose this one, this style. Okay, and if I click on format, these are shape fill. Like I select this one, select any color, so you can see change the color. Okay, so in this way you can change this by using design and format tabs. Now another thing in design tab, when you go, this is format background. When I click on this format background, you can see this tab is appear. Here you can see background color is blue. In all slide background color is blue. Now if we want to change the color, we want, this is gradient field, solid field mean one color, like this one blue color is appear. If gradient, then this shaded color is appear. If I click on pictures or texture field, you can see these are different texture. You select from here any textures like this one. Okay, And pattern fill mean like this one, different patterns here. Okay, this is your choice, whatever you want to select this. For example, this slide is empty. If I want to change this one, I like gradient fill. You can see here one color, I want another color like red color. You can see two colors are appear here. Another color I want here like suppose yellow color. You can see another color appear. And like how many colors you want, you click here, colors are appear like green color. Okay, you can increase the size. See this, you can increase or decrease by moving this. Here you can increase red color or decrease it, green color like this one. Okay, yellow like this, blue like this one. Okay, so all this is called gradient, in which we apply different shades and colors. Another thing is to add screenshot. Click on insert tab. You can see screenshot here. When I click here, you can see screen clipping. Click here. If any other windows this appear, you select from that window. This my desktop is appear. You can see this plus sign is appear, and all this screen become dull. You select anything. For example, I select Tux Paint. I again select this one, insert, screenshot, screen clipping, and this when plus sign will be appear, select this one. Okay, so this should appear here. Now you can increase the size of this one. Any other if you want to insert, like again click and screenshot like this eagle. So this will be appear here. You can increase or decrease the size of this one. Okay, so in this way you can insert a screenshot. Now I open another slide and change the color. Click here on solid fill, select like I select green color. This will be apply. And now another thing, select insert tab, and you can see here photo album. Click on this new photo album. You can see here different things. In photo album you can add not one picture, more than one pictures. Like I click on file and select like this one. I select this one. Okay, insert. So this is my first picture. Again go here like this one, insert. How many pictures you want, insert this. You can see 1 2. Again like okay, this one about earth, insert 4. Again like save the nature, this one. Okay, now you can see this 1 2 3 4 appear here. I select all these pictures. Okay, now you can see these all appear here. Now fit to slide picture 1 2 3. How many pictures you can select from here and change the frame, like this rectangle or rounded rectangle, simple frame. Like I select this one, you can see this will be rounded rectangle. If you select any other like center shadow, this type will be appear. Okay, when you complete this, click on create. This album is created. You can see your new album is appear here. Okay, so these are all pictures. You select this, in every frame these pictures are appear like this one. Okay, in this way you can create your photo album. Now when we close our photo album, you can see our previous slides again appear here. Hope you understand all of this. In next video we will learn about how we apply animations and transitions to these slides, and how we create a movie and apply different sounds to these slides. Okay.